Assalamualaikum student. Today we are going to learn 9th standard chapter number 15 life processes in living organism. Students, you already know that in our body there are different organ systems which are present. We have nervous system, we have circulatory system, digestive system, respiratory system, we have excretory system, reproductive system. These all organ systems are important for our life. Those different system you can see here. What you see here now? Yes, this is a muscular system. Muscles which are present on a human body. Skeleton system, muscular system we have. Then we have circulatory system. What is included here in our circulatory system? Yes, there is human heart, blood vessels which are present all over in our body. So we have circulatory system in our body. Then we have digestive system. So what is present, what is included in our digestive system? Yes, there is stomach, there is large intestine, small intestine, then we have esophagus, we have mouth. And what is the function of our digestive system? To digest our food and to produce energy. Similarly, we have respiratory systems too. And what is there in our respiratory system? We have lungs, included lungs, then we have studied about trachea, then our nose cavity, nasal cavity. So these all things are included in our respiratory system, which helps us to breathe in and breathe out. And it is also helpful in our cellular respiration. In our today's lecture, we are going to learn about one of our system which helps to remove waste products from our body. There are different waste products which produce in our body during different metabolic activity, and those waste products are urea, uric acid, ammonia, etc. So these waste products has to be removed from our body. And through which system those waste products are removed? Yes, those waste products are removed with the help of excretory system. So here you can see there is a excretory system. In our excretory system, what is included? Here you can see in a human excretory system, there are two bean-shaped organs. These are the two bean-shaped organs which are included in our excretory system. Okay, and what we call to these two bean-shaped organs? They are known as kidneys. One is to the right side and another kidney is to the left side of our body. And you can see one kidney is on the slightly upper side and another one is slightly lower side because of presence of liver. There is a liver which is present here, and that's why our left side kidney is slightly down. Okay, so this is a position. Now where they are situated? They are situated on the lower part of our body. Okay, that means they are in our abdominal cavity. So here there are two kidneys, okay, which is main organ in our excretory system. They remove all the waste product from blood and produce what? Urine. Okay, so there are two kidneys situated in an abdominal cavity, and then here you can see there are tube-like organ which arises from this kidney. Okay, so those tube-like organ is nothing but the ureter. They are known as, these two tubes are known as ureter. So how many ureters we have here? There are two ureters. One is coming from right side kidney and another one is coming from left side kidney. Now these tube, okay, where they will open, where they will go? So here inside this bone, this is what? This is pelvic girdle. Okay, this is a pelvic bone, this is our hip bone. So when we will, suppose if we will remove that, so here you can see there is a bag like organ which is present, and that bag like organ which is present here is known as the urinary bladder. Okay, so your urine is stored here for some time in a urinary bladder. So these are the two bean shaped organ known as kidney. Then there are two tube like organ which is known as the ureter, and here there is one muscular bag like organ which is known as urinary bladder, and then there is a small opening from which we remove urine, that is known as urethra. So this one is the urethra. So these all parts are included in our excretory system, and here you can see the position of excretory system. It is present here on the lower side of our body, that is in our abdominal cavity. Okay, and both the kidneys are on the posterior side, that is on the slightly back side of our body. Okay, not exactly in a front. Here you can see there are two ribs. Okay, in these two ribs here your kidneys are situated, and over a kidney, on this two kidneys you can see there is a triangular gland which is present. This triangular gland is known as adrenal gland. There are two glands present here over kidney, on top of a kidney. Those glands are known as the adrenal gland. Now let us see the inside part of our kidney. Okay, so here suppose if we will see the inside part of our kidney, so how it look like? Here you can see there is a pyramid shape inside our kidney. We can see there is a pyramid shape like part which is present. This part is known as the outer part which is known as the cortex. This outer part is known as cortex, and this pyramid shape one is later on attached with the tube like organ which is ureter. So this one is the ureter, and this part is known as the cortex. So here this highlighted part is what? This one is the cortex, and here you can see the small triangular pyramid shaped structure which is known as the medulla. Okay, these parts are known as the medulla. This is known as the cortex, this one is known as the medulla, and here this part which later on open into ureter, that particular part is known as the renal pelvis. Okay, so here this one is the renal pelvis. So this is the internal part of our kidney. These are the things which are present inside our kidney. Just now we have seen where the human excretory system is situated and which are the different organs involved in a human excretory system. So let us draw excretory system diagram. Okay, so what is first included in our excretory system? Yes, two bean shaped organs. Those two bean shaped organs are known as what? Kidneys. Okay, and here then the next part is what? There is a tube like organ which take the waste product to bag like muscular organ, and what we call to this? Yes, this one is the ureter, and this ureter will open in a bag like organ. What is that bag like organ is? Yes, that bag like organ is known as the urinary bladder, and there is a small opening at the end. So what we call to that small opening? Urethra. Okay, so these are the organs we have just seen in a human excretory system. Now function of excretory system is to what? Is to remove waste product. Waste product from what? Waste product from blood. So that blood vessels also included in this system. Okay, two blood vessels which bring blood, one which bring blood to the kidney and another one which will take a purified blood to heart for oxygenation. There are two blood vessels, one blood vessel which bring blood here to kidney and another blood vessels, this one will bring a blood and another blood vessels will take a blood away from kidney. Okay, vessel which bring blood to kidney, that is known as the aorta, and the blood vessel which take blood away from kidney, that blood vessel is known as inferior vena cava. Here I am representing both blood vessel with a two different color. Okay, this blue color one is representing a blood vessels which take a blood away from kidney, that is known as inferior vena cava, and another blood vessel which I am representing here with a pink color, that one is aorta. Okay, which bring a blood to kidney, and these two branches of aorta and this one, these two branches of aorta and inferior vena cava are known as, aorta branches are known as renal artery, and this one is known as, these two branches, they are known as renal vein. Renal vein. So all these organs are included in a human excretory system. So here in our today's lecture we have discussed about human excretory system. In human excretory system there are pair of kidneys, then pair of ureter, urinary bladder, urethra. Blood vessels which are included in this are aorta, inferior vena cava, renal artery and renal vein. So these all are the organs present in a human excretory system. Human excretory system is a system which remove waste products from a human body. Thank you everyone.